once you've gone through this process with us and you've got to like module 4, 5, 6, you will literally be capable of walking into a small business and you'll know more than 99% of the owners, but you'll also have the backing of the strategy, the software, and the platform that we're going to give you.
Yeah, absolutely perfect. So let's just dive straight in. So why are we here today? Well, AI is reshaping everything. There's going to be no industry untouched and no business is immune to it. And we discussed that in the previous video that will have led you to watching this course with us. And just here on the screen alone, it was an image I grabbed this morning, which is just, what's that, 5x4? So that's 20 different AI. That's now, right? Mm-hmm. And what's going to happen as we go? There's just more and more and more and more. And these were like the main ones, things like Grammarly. You've also got ChatGPT, you've got Gemini, you've got Grok, you've got Meta AI. There's just so many of them out there, mm-hmm. and they're going to make our lives easier. But as we discussed, they're also going to make life harder because a lot of jobs that currently are done by humans will be done better by these technologies. So that's going to make a massive difference. So the pace of change, we said, is unprecedented. Let's talk about our journey together. So what is our outcome for somebody when they get to the end of this course, Anwar?
So like we just said, it's like I want you to go through a process where we give you all the foundational knowledge that you need.